Alright, hello everybody. In this lecture, we're going to learn about do-while loops. Alright? Best way to learn, in my opinion, I'm just gonna show you and then what it does, and then we'll go over it line by line, right? Let's go ahead. Of course, it may be boring, but it's a good idea to always do this so it never leaves your mind, alright? The basic syntax. Alright, so here we are, right? So, a do-while loop, alright? Let me show you the syntax. Do, similar, see how it turned blue? So, similar to if, while, break, we'll get into that case. It's a keyword, which means we cannot, I believe we cannot, declare a variable like that, but that's okay. So we're gonna make an integer, x, and we'll make it 300, alright? X equals 300, okay? Now at the end of this do block, we're gonna write while, semicolon. Now let's follow what I do, right? X is less than, for example, 1, alright? And while x is less than 1, what do we want it to do? Well, we want it to print the value of x. Alright? Let's write some comments so we can understand what we're doing, alright? So what does this do? We declared and assigned a value to a variable x, okay? Well, our main function. Now, do whatever is in between these brackets, alright? And what is it gonna do that's in between these brackets? It's gonna output the value of x, okay? While x is less than 1. Alright? Well, x is not less than 1, right? 300, x is 300, and 300 is definitely not less than 1. So, will it output x or not? Let's go find out. It still outputs it, see? So that's what's special about do-while loops. While personally I don't use them that much in my code, there will be a scenario this will become useful, and it's important to know when to use this, and the more practice you have, the better you'll get at it. So the purpose of a do-while loop is that what's different about it from the other two loops is that it will run the code once. Regardless if the condition is true or not, it will run the code. Alright? Let's give a better, for example, let's do 6, okay? X equals 1, less than 6, okay? It's going to display numbers 1 through... Ooh. Wow, did you see that? Look what we did. There is a problem, huh? And what was the problem? Let's see, can we actually... Yeah, that's a lot of numbers, isn't it? Kind of crazy, huh? Wow, and my computer is slowing down. Yeah, okay, let's not, okay, let's get out of here. Wow, it printed a lot of ones, alright? Well, what we actually want to do is do x plus plus, alright? That will save us. First, wow, my computer is really slow. Let's run it once more to make it, there we go, compile. Alright, so it turns out it was fine all along, alright? That's the problem of using online compilers. Hopefully later on in the course we can possibly use... Oh, wow. Did you hear that? Possibly we can use a more sophisticated compiler like CodeBlocks. It's an application. Alright, let's comment our code. Increment the value of x. Alright, why are we incrementing it? Well, let's go back. X is 1, right? And 1 is definitely less than 6, okay? So it's just gonna keep outputting the value of x. Why? Because it's never changing. 1 is always less than 6, x is always less than 6, and so the code will happen forever, right? So we need to change the value of 6. Whoops. We need to change the value of x until it's bigger than 6, until this code stops, alright? And we get the solution we wanted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, we can make it go all the way up to, well, not 100. That was my goal, but let's do 20, okay? Blah, 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 okay? You get the point. But, and as you saw in the beginning, the point of this loop, why is it so special? It's because we can use it to run the code at least once, alright? Awesome. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Alright, bye.